While AAP netas hailed her elevation, her fellow colleague Maliwal, Swati Maliwal, hit out at her. The BJP too called her nothing but a puppet.
मेरे गुरु अरविंद केजरीवाल जी का धन्यवाद करना चाहती हूं, जिन्होंने मुझे इतनी बड़ी जिम्मेदारी दी और इस जिम्मेदारी के लिए मुझ पे भरोसा किया.
Delhi gets a new chief minister 5 months before polls. Ruling Aam Aadmi Party has picked Arvind Kejriwal's trusted aide Atishi as his successor, but only till next polls. Atishi had been steering governance when Kejriwal was in jail for 5 months. Soon after getting the mantle, Atishi swore allegiance to Kejriwal.
मैं आज ये जरूर कहना चाहती हूँ आम आदमी पार्टी के सभी विधायकों की तरफ से, दिल्ली की 2 करोड़ जनता की तरफ से, कि दिल्ली का एक ही मुख्यमंत्री है और उस मुख्यमंत्री का नाम अरविंद केजरीवाल है. ऐसे ईमानदार आदमी पर भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने भ्रष्टाचार के आरोप लगाए, झूठे केस किए, फर्जी केस किए.
While AAP netas hailed Atishi's elevation as chief minister,
सबने एक साथ मिलके आतिशी के नाम पे सहमति जताई.
Rebel AAP MP Swati Maliwal attacked Atishi over her family's fight to stop hanging of Parliament attack convict terrorist Afzal Guru.
दिल्ली के लिए एक बहुत दुखद दिन है. आज दिल्ली की मुख्यमंत्री एक ऐसी महिला आतिशी मारलेना जी बनने जा रही हैं, जिनके अपने परिवार ने आतंकवादी अफजल गुरु को फांसी की सजा से बचाने के लिए एक लंबी लड़ाई लड़ी. ये कितनी गलत बात है.
BJP questioned Atishi's elevation as Delhi chief minister and called her a puppet by Kejriwal, who will just be remote controlled.
फरवरी में चुनाव आने वाले हैं अगले साल, तो दिल्ली के लोग तो मन बना चुके हैं कि केजरीवाल जैसे लोग, आम आदमी जैसे लोगों को कभी भी राजनीति में कभी भी जगह नहीं देना चाहिए.
आज एक आंदोलन के बाहरी व्यक्ति को मुख्यमंत्री बनाया जा रहा है, वो भी किस व्यक्ति को, जिसके परिवार ने अफजल गुरु जैसे आतंकवादी को माफी दिलवाने के लिए पेटिशन दायर की थी. ऐसी नक्सली मानसिकता को बैकडोर से दिल्ली के मुख्यमंत्री की कुर्सी पर बैठाने का पाप अरविंद केजरीवाल कर रहे हैं.
Atishi has strong support of Kejriwal and party top guns. Can she prove to be AAP's Brahmastra? With Amit Bharadwaj and Piyush Mishra in Delhi, Bureau Report, India Today.
So we do understand that the Aam Aadmi Party game plan here is very clear. Steer clear of governance issues, steer clear of anti-incumbency questions, try and steer clear of the anti-graft taint. Try and personalize this election completely on the name of Arvind Kejriwal and take the election on less than a political pitch, more on an emotional pitch. What is the BJP's game plan in all of this? I want to bring in my colleague Nabila Jamal, who's joining us from the LG residence. Nabila, the spotlight now is also on how the BJP reacts to it. Already where Atishi is concerned, antecedents in terms of her parents are being brought in on how they signed in on Afzal Guru's mercy petition. Charges now being leveled on Atishi of being called an urban Naxal, making a backdoor entry as CM.
You know, with this move that we saw today with Arvind Kejriwal resigning and Atishi taking over as the interim, it's hit a couple of targets there, Preeti. Of course, it quells and dispels all the BJP's push at this point, asking for presidential rule in the national capital of Delhi. In fact, BJP had also approached the governor. That proposal had also gone up to the Rashtrapati Bhavan, pushing and urging for Delhi now to be governed by the president's office, considering according to the BJP at that point, which also largely was a fact that governance had derailed. There wasn't a person at the helm of affairs to carry out policy issues or to take forward policies that were already established. No cabinet meetings were being held, no assembly sessions were being held for 6 months that Kejriwal was inside. So BJP really had great push to ask for president's rule here in Delhi. Now that has been put to rest. So this is the biggest satisfaction, I suppose, and a point of calm for the Aam Aadmi Party. At least for the next 4 months, they've managed to salvage their government and keep it intact in this state. Well, of course, the BJP has put out posters there showing Atishi as the puppet of Arvind Kejriwal, saying that she's going to be acting and dancing at the words of Arvind Kejriwal, etc. Also, AAP has not countered the BJP at that point. Atishi has very clearly said that, yeah, I am the interim chief minister. We are working towards ensuring that people know that Kejriwal is an honest person and this is the BJP's tactic to defame us. But at the same time, while we, of course, firefight those the criticism coming in from the BJP on us and the targeting on Kejriwal, we're also going to carry out governance at the same time. More importantly, Atishi coming as the chief minister of Delhi. A decade later, a woman chief minister is in place. She's only the three, apart from Sushma Swaraj and Sheila Dikshit in Delhi, to be the chief minister here at a young age of 43. For the Aam Aadmi Party, Atishi also pulls in a lot of women voters, which is a very crucial segment for the Aam Aadmi Party in Delhi. Very strategic time, 4 months ahead of the assembly polls for the Aam Aadmi Party. They're doing all that they can where they can cobble up support for themselves. Finally, it frees Arvind Kejriwal and Manish Sisodia now from governance and all their responsibilities. Like you did mention, Preeti, Kejriwal does not have any portfolios, but nonetheless, there was a burden of him being the chief minister. He is now free to carry out his campaign and ask for votes. And it all now revolves around Arvind Kejriwal. Even Atishi is working for Arvind Kejriwal. CM or not CM, like a political analyst said, it's all about Arvind Kejriwal. He's the man, he's the front face. The party is working towards that. They've kicked off the poll campaign much in advance, countering the BJP.
All right, okay, Nabila, stay on with me. Let's listen into all political reactions that are coming in on this story.
आतिशी मार लेना तो एक मुखौटा है। उनकी पार्टी के लोगों ने ही कह दिया है अस्थायी हैं। मतलब जब तक अरविंद केजरीवाल फिर लूटने के लिए नहीं आ जाते हैं तब तक रहेंगे। जब अरविंद केजरीवाल अंदर थे तो ये लोग अच्छा काम कर सकते थे, लेकिन उनका काम करने का नियत हो तब न। रही बात देखो अरविंद केजरीवाल जी का, ये इस्तीफा एक ड्रामा है। कोर्ट ने उनको मुख्यमंत्री के पद से ऑलमोस्ट सस्पेंड कर दिया। जो मुख्यमंत्री को कोर्ट कहता है आप फाइल नहीं साइन कर सकते, आप ऑफिस नहीं जा सकते, तो कौन काम का मुख्यमंत्री? मुख्यमंत्री रहे ही नहीं। और जब कोर्ट ने उनको हटा दिया तब जाके इस्तीफा का एक नाटक खेले हैं। तो इस्तीफा एक बहाना है, मूलतः कोर्ट के जो कड़े निर्देश आए हैं उनको छुपाना है।